bathroom. Side. TV wall. Top and bottom. Switch right to the bedroom door. Sitting room. You must get this already. Look at the. See this. I wanted that in the bathroom, never show you that. Nice ceiling. So I got the kitchen door. And the fridge. Over the countertop. On the other side. One of this was in the bathroom, this is the kitchen bathroom. No more go outside, more show him something out there. I want to come. No, I go back out there, so. Look at the ceiling, look at the sitting room, look at the bedroom. Turn around.
Yeah, so we had, finish up, we get to finishing touch. Around here, boy, I don't want the camera go touch the window, because anytime I look through the window, I always see a rotted thing. I can't have look through the window now. I just love look through window since, youth, through that window, you're bad. I just want to look through the window, the way they, Look there. No, you tell me no. What could have stopped me or prevent me from look through this window? I look through a window.
So this is the bathroom. Still not completed. We're gonna plan on putting the shower door on. But as a temporary fix, we bought a tension rod. We're gonna just use the tension rod with the shower curtain for now until we buy the shower door. So that's the bathroom. That's the shower area. So we'll clean it up. That's it. That's see it. Yep. Yep. It's the bathroom. As I said, tension rod is in, so we're just going to buy a shower curtain for the time being as a temporary fix until we get the shower door. Yep. So it's my first time being down here. Oh no, it's not my first time being down here this late. We slept here already. But the view, the sky is so pretty. So pretty. So that's the view tonight. So beautiful. So you've always been seeing the daylight view. Now it's after 7. That's what it looks like tonight.